Hello everyone, Sir Weds here of the Integrated School Forms Media, and today we will be talking about logos and signatories placement, so stay tuned and we'll teach you how to do it correctly. This is our first video about our new segment, EducNation, Educating the Nation. This will be a series of videos dedicated to information, growth, and development of our teachers in the field. And today, we will be showing you how to properly place the most essential elements on documents, communication letters, memos, advisories, and even certificates. So let's begin. First and foremost, proper placement of these basic components immediately tells the reader if you know what you're doing. In DepEd, in case you didn't notice, the official font style we are using in our DepEd orders, memos, and advisories are set in Arial Narrow, font size 12 and single space. Standard paper size is set at A4 and with normal margins. As for the ink color, I have yet to see a colored format. The logos, however, are of different story. DepEd orders only use the DepEd seal at the upper center of the page. Some memorandum and advisories, however, use both DepEd logos and DepEd seal. When using both logos in any document, the DepEd seal will always be in the upper left and the DepEd logo will always be on the upper right, the same practice you see with the modified school forms. One may wonder, what is the significance of placing these logos as such? The main reason is, logos follow a sense of hierarchy, and the higher the office logo, the closer it is on the left portion. So if you need to put multiple logos on the top page of any document, the highest logo used must be on the leftmost part and the lowest logo used must be on the rightmost part. To illustrate, it will be as follows. The DepEd seal will always be on the left if it is paired with a DepEd logo. The DepEd seal or DepEd logo will be on the left if it is paired with any DepEd regional office logo. The DepEd regional office logo will always be on the left if it is paired with a DepEd division office logo. The DepEd division office logo will always be on the left if it is going to be paired with any DepEd public school. Where do we use the DepEd seal and where do we use the DepEd logo? The DepEd seal is usually used when the office is releasing any communication within the agency. The same reason why the DepEd order uses the DepEd seal at the uppermost part of the page, while the DepEd logo is usually used when the communication release is going outside the department. The same practice is used in making certificates in other documents. The higher office logo must always be on the leftmost part of the page. Vertical placing of logos follow the same principle. The higher the office logo, the closer it is on the top of the document, whether it is placed on the left or right. Now we move on to signatories of the document. The principle of multiple signatories in any page must follow the opposite rules on the logo placing. That is, the higher the position of the signatory, the closer it is to the right of the page. So for example, the signatories are lined horizontally across the page. The position which has the lower rank will be in the leftmost part of the document, such as school principal on the left, PSDS on the right, PSDS on the left, SDS on the right, SDS on the left, regional director on the right, regional director on the left, and the central office will always be on the right. As for the EPS versus the PSDS placement, in essence, both positions are actually in the same rank. The closest higher position above them is the Chief Supervisor of the CID or SGOD. However, since the EPS are mostly assigned in the division's office, they carry with them the rank of the office, whereas the PSDS carries the district or cluster unit. As such, the PSDS signatory will be placed before the EPS signatory on the document. Another example of proper signatory placement would be a combination of vertical and horizontal placements, which is very common in certificates being awarded. In case where a school coordinator, school principal, PSDS, EPS, and the SDS actually signs the certificate, the one who designs the certificate opts to put the names left and right and on top of the other. In such case, the recommended format would be the school coordinator will always be on the left and then the school principal will be on the right. Below them will be the PSDS, which will be on the left, and the EPS will always be on the right, and below all of it, the SDS will be placed on the center. In contrast with the logo placing, where the higher logo will be on the topmost of the document, in case for the signatories, the higher the position, the closest it is to the bottom. So that's basically it. Even logos and signatories follow a rule. So the next time you see one or you need to make one, you know now how to do it correctly. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to keep yourself updated with our videos. Like and share so that we can reach more teachers in the field too. If you're also looking for automated school forms and other Excel templates, feel free to visit our website at https://www.ischoolforms.000webhostapp.com. You can also visit our Facebook page where I'll be posting the link below where we also engage with other Facebook followers. This is our Weds of the Integrated School Forms team. See you next time and thank you for watching.